Ah, juste un bird là, man. Nous go show dans l'arrière là, on ça à manger bezwen. Tanisha.
Your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck is JB?
Smoking.
And what about you?
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
JB, look, JB gonna lose everything. He gonna lose the house. You know what I'm saying? The business, everything, and you his cousin.
Yes.
You said you was gonna help.
Ça Tanisha again, man.
Whatever, if that's how you feel.
Yo, tout problème c'est pour misye, man.
If JB can do it, you can do it for fuck's sake. Come on, I'ma show you. Come on, shit.
Tu vas foutre le coup de poing.
Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right.
I didn't get tired. Man, could you not manger là, man? Tonya, oh, manger les tout.
Where your wheels at?
Come on, wheels that. Machine on lock, man.
Where we go?
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Oh man,
ça veut dire on truck là, pour aller truck là.
You've always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin.
Ça la machine à faire
Your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby doze now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
Short.
Here's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
On très vite, non, man. T'as pas de temps, man, à marcher, fait demoiselle. Machine de roi, job, c'est al pour la machine, non?
It's Tanya, fool. And my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya.
Et JB qu'on fait travailler ça. Mon que le JB a man,
a bucket.
Et JB qu'on fait travailler
This one
ça,
should
JB
be
là.
easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he lay in.
Bah c'est, mais bah c'est une affaire là, man. Et où qu'a fait comme là tout là? Quand JB parle là, pas pour moi, man. Et où qu'a fait comme là? Man, yo, vi machine ça à loup, man. Et puis côté de moi aller à gueuler loin. Fait rapide, Tanya, on fait rapide. Oh, c'est machine, on va le prendre. Ah, ça veut dire, nous supposons tourner une machine ça, nous sommes deux paquets là. Ah, nous pas prêts là, man. Quoi de nouveau là? Sun pork là. C'est tout.
Okay, we're in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Hey, this was not how I saw my day going.
On a les... Yo. Ça va peler, hein. Man. Ah, nous traîner ça derrière nous. Yo, ça.
I've been trying to branch out.
Pour la machine frappe et puis on découle. Ça veut dire tu vas entendre ça là comme c'est pour JB n'a Kembe.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dope heads.
Et nous y a payé ou bien?
You the one all turfed
JB a
up.
payé. Papa là.
For real.
C'est ce problème. Et moi j'ai fait un monsieur là, mais monsieur là.
They got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place.
Ça veut dire me poser some là m'paquet. Pas qu'elle me dit, man. Là, il machine non côté, man. Ah, ouvert. Là. Ah, et là, vous me déposez. Là. Là. Ça va bon.
I'll see you on the block.
Yep.
Anything you need.
Non, frère, pas besoin encore. On t'a dit qu'il n'est pas côté pour nous, pas besoin. Si on réussit. Pas un problème. Yo, venez entrer dans la machine. Patne après les nous mettre Simeon. Venez checker Simeon ou nous ça Simeon. Simeon bien. Nos enfants, mais faut déposer la calée. Ah, regarde le téléphone. Après les pics. Ah, mais venez la calée. Démissionnant. Ça vient là, Franklin pour nous. C'est Franklin qui est pour nous. Franklin c'est une équipe de gangster. Ouais, quand je me suis arrêté à tout, man. Mais moto aïe, man. Comme ça, man. Comme ça, la calme ici. Qu'a fait la sport?
But girl, I done all that I can do. But you know how boys are. Wait a minute.
Yo, pensez qu'il t'a bouqué?
We ain't even gone 5 yards yet.
Yo, mas essa devan lá, ali a quando eu put lá pour ir lá.
Exercise his body
Fique
and
teu
soul.
buquê.
All the rage. We are women and we are free. Free and free.
Você conta, você cai lá pro culto ligou ali.
Damn.
Lá café, vamos aí, man.
Yeah, thank God I missed her crazy ass. She's spirit
Mas
walking
é
this
fogo,
shit
hein,
now, man. That's just her attempts to.
Eu quero chien.
About your auntie, man. She got. I mean, she cool as a motherfucker, man.
Ô, matant misye, man. Você me matant lá,
We gotta go
man.
pick up some shit from around the corner, man. We can walk and talk at the same time, my nigga.
Ah,
We
bro.
can't drive.
Around the block with Chop.
Tout bagay misye bezwen frère, ou ba de fè kon fè. Tu di vin pou mache, man. Nou go ba nou pal kon lo boa. Pas bezwen kondi, man. Nou gen chien avè nou, pas un problème. Pas un problème.
Come on, homie. We ain't got all day. Let's go.
For sure, but what you got?
Nou ba ka fè misye kon fè.
Kidnapping fool.
Kon
That
sa mle zo?
clown D. That OG fool from Ballers.
Dog,
Pas
I
jam,
told you, no
c'est
more
pas jam fou
gangbanging,
pou ba,
retro
man.
vengeance bullshit.
Problème c'est pas
I'm
la
trying to
chien
make
ça
some
la
fucking
nap
You
sou.
gonna make some paper low, and ain't
Un
nobody
problème ni
out
pas
here
la gué, nou pas le
gangbanging. It just look like that. You
Un
gotta know
problème
the
ni pas la
difference,
gué nou
man.
quand même.
Fuck, man, great. My aunt would be very happy, homie. She wants me
Quand
dead
même.
anyway, so she
Gade
can get
kou
the
de misye
fucking
pa la
house.
vè, nou.
You driving?
Oh,
Man, give me some
Oh.
space.
yeah. On ken nou, man. E chien, kou de nap mi chien. El de ya.
Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van. Good dog.
Sa vle di, chien, nan misyon bal fè la mko chien ap goun wol la bjou la den. Din ba
We
rap
going
sa
to
chien sa
Vinewood
vle.
Boulevard.
Vinewood Boulevard, alright. Vinewood Boulevard. And about Vinewood Boulevard,
Hey, I
man.
like your
Ki
dog,
activity
homie.
gen.
Somebody got a
Kou de
dog
nivè la,
house.
men.
He
Kou
down
nivè,
this
men.
alley up here.
Nan la, yon bal
What's
antre.
up, boo? Ain't you little Laida's cousin?
Oh.
Yeah, damn, you short with it? I was just saying, I was trying to holler at you.
You ain't hollering at
Se ki de met
nothing
zam de yo, yi, men.
Gotta be like that. I'm a
Ou
OG.
vole nèg bal vole nèg la, men.
So what? So the fuck what, nigga? It's a million OGs.
Well, shit, how about I put one of these little X pills up your ass, crack?
Yo, ou gele vole nèg bal vole, yi,
Begging
men.
for it,
That's
boo-boo.
disgusting.
What's happening now, D-man? Ain't no fun if the gangsters can't have none.
Man, fuck you, Mark. I ain't sharing no ass with the CGF.
Ain't
The
nobody
fuck
sharing
man?
nothing.
Man, shut the hell up,
Fuck
bitch.
you, nigga.
Man, fuck y'all. Hey, ain't there a law against you mark-ass gangsters in
Yo, man,
city
sak, mo kon te ka fèt la, nou, men.
Oh, so what's
Nèg ap
up
jwe
now,
pou fòm
nigga? You
nan.
snitching or something?
Yes,
Oh,
I
shit,
mean.
ass nigga.
Fuck you, nigga. I'm out of here.
Woo!
Fuck y'all. Get
Shit! Yo, nan vin sa, men. Nan vin sa, men. Nah, bro. Ba, kou de vin sa wak akou. Yo, vin ou la gen chien de, misye.
He on a bike, man. We ain't gonna catch it.
Exactly, man. Misye sou bike, man.
It's gonna get
Sou
bumped,
moto, man.
Chop.
Moto misye api rapid, man.
You seen that bitch back there? She a dime. I'm all over that. And she
Tá
probably the
lu,
same. Like I
man.
said, they flock.
Flock your mind on
Ti
this
moto
shit
sa,
right
man.
here for a minute. You
Nou
worse
pa
than
bjou misye,
Chop.
nou, men. Oh.
Do that weird. Hey, look
No,
out.
no!
Focus shit you do.
Hey, why we choose this mark, homie?
I don't know. It's an opportunity. Why not?
Misye
Man,
pa
I
men
don't know.
kon pou se la
We just
suiv
chasing
la
the
nou,
bitch.
men.
I thought it might have been for a reason.
40,000,
Men
nigga.
sa
That's
men
the
kon pou
reason.
se la. Ah!
Next time we going after the motherfucker in the car, alright? All these punk ass
Yeah,
bikes.
man. Machin sa wak bou, men. Prochaine fwa, men, nou
We
bezou pou
snatching this
machin.
dude, we
Nou
snatching his ass right.
pou machin sa nan, men. Pese, se te lop machin nan
Remember the
besou
homies
la,
around the block?
Man, the homies is lame.
men fwa
Yeah,
pou mek te
so
fwa
we
pe
not.
misye, men.
Cops on their cell phone soon as they made the ransom call.
Yeah, lame, man.
Triangulated the signal. Ghetto birds all over the place.
Woo!
Surveillance, my nigga.
He cut down there.
Top need a seatbelt.
Oh, man. Machin trop gros. Men jè kwa nou.
Oh, shit. Damn.
Oh, misye
He got
tombe.
fucked up.
Misye
Man, hey, Chop, go
tombe.
get that fool. Nigga, you just sitting your ass there
Misye
with your
ka
feet
fucked
kicked up.
up. Yo, mè aksiden nou, men. Gila machin
Go
bè
bite
nan
his ass. Get that
misye.
motherfucker, Chop.
Oh, misye ale. Misye kouri, men. Shit. Kwa chen avjoun misye. Yo, kwa chen avjoun misye. Ya avjoun misye. Pa mwen se chen
Hey, I
avjoun
don't want to watch you
misye.
getting eaten by this canine. fuck.
Se vole, misye vole. Chen moute. Ah, shit, chen moute. Ale.
Perpetrate motherfuckers.
Chop, koman chop. Yo, lo a iti chen moun do moun zasan. Chache un bon wash.
Put that dog on a leash. You idiot.
l'autre a volé. Wow. C'est crasé le boulet, man.
Let's do this thing, chop chop.
Ça veut dire, là, c'est tombé, man. C'est pas tellement frappé, mais c'est une énergie pour la courir comme ça toujours, man. 100 000. Shit. Tu frappes, man. Chop. Yo, shit, le bois, c'est déjà, man. Ah, shit. C'est pas très rien, man. C'est pas très rien, man.
Come on, boy. Find that fool.
C'est notre rien. C'est notre rien, man. On dit chien pour nous suivre, on y a pour chien, bah, nous, ici.
Sniff him out, chop chop. Lead me to him.
Yo, chien, ça, man. A rien, non, man. Yo, pas pour ça, là, man. On y a des chiens, on y a, man. Depuis, on prend son tout, man. Yo, on suit, on a. Ça veut dire, misye en dedans, là. Ok, faut nous faire bah, ça, oh, pour nous.
Come on, smell that stinky motherfucker.
Vas-y, fais bah, ça.
You a mean motherfucker, man. Let's go.
Si non, yon.
I got your ass. Man, fuck. There you go. Hey, Chop. That smell like a baller. Where he at, Chop? Where he at?
Ele. Come on, tá aquele cabelo. Como se
This one.
Você vai andando, man? Chop! Como se é?
Hey, where you going, boy? That don't look like no baller's OG to me.
Yo, é pra me ser essa, man. Pro ali. Pose, me ser. Cadê? Yo! Cara, esse garoto é capaz de chache o moun. Yo, on a les men. Yo, m'a soufflé, me ser la pi red.
This ain't time for humping, Chop. Come on, man.
É por ça, man.
Lamar sure ain't been training your ass, has he, boy?
Go,
boy, where the OG at?
Mse jounou ba, mse gile bon kon ya, men.
Let's go.
Chop, on a le chop. Ou jounou ba kon ya. Kwa di nkot misye. Abi nou ve sa.
Come on, where is he?
Ah, man. Mse ki emisyon yi, men.
You in here?
Pou la fè on ti chap. Oh, men misye.
You scared of dogs, nigga? Oh, shit.
Ala moudal.
Fuck you and your stupid dog.
Yo, mse ap kouri toujou, men. Chop. Yes!
Hey, man, get over here. Oh, shit. What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with CGF. Because maybe we're doing the wrong thing.
Yo, ki sabe ba, men goun pou ki sa nou, men. E yo pou misye la. Se ba elizaje, pou nega ba elizaje.
I said I had no beef, man. Hey, man, what the fuck? Get this fucking
Yo, met chien de ya, misye. Ah, kwen ba la misye la.
Hey, if you don't train Chop, he gonna be a lost cause like you, dog.
Oh,
We gonna stash this dude in
sa
my
boy,
spot.
men. E kon sa chen, we, men. Yo ba bezwen konen lot chen, e pi yo bezwen, men. E just fè,
We going
e
back
sou
to
de
your
kon
crib?
bay.
I've been there when you was in diapers.
Imagine ou
Shut
se
up,
l te
man.
fasil kon
You
sa.
ain't recognize me.
I
Oui,
knew
men.
it was you before
Kon
you
table
took
sou
that
la,
flag
machin
off.
la ya la.
You always been dumb, Lamar.
Really? Well, I guess that means we gonna have to shoot your ass when we pick up our 40 stacks.
You ain't gonna pick up shit. Fans gonna be on you before you
man.
can remember that, dog.
Ba, men bon koun sa ne yo fè ne apase misye sa nou, men.
This some bullshit. Take me
Kon
down the
nan
cut.
not koton kon, men. Kompleks. Ti krasi telefon ne.
Motherfucker. You better watch out for them ballers. They gonna be on you now. Them cops gonna be on your ass too.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. I'm a
Oh,
motherfucking gangster. You
man.
know how I do.
Pape pou.
I can take care of my
Excellent.
sizzle.
No, the fuck you kids ain't.
Alright, ben, yo, misye sa arrive an interese, men. Mwen men chien chop. Oh, men, misye yon isi. Chop. Yo, chop funny, men. An tou like a, men, se la met fe, yo, video sa long, men. C'est là quand même, nous j'ai 2 missions dans l'épisode ça, man. Je les fait on mission par épisode, mais nous fait 2 missions dans l'épisode ça, man. C'était un épisode là. Ça me plus d'utile, man. C'est ça pour faire aimer mes vidéos à partager. Vous semble les là. Partager.